Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to change display language on Outlook in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Outlook mail. So I'm going to click on here to open my Outlook. Just like so. Having opened up your Outlook mail, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on settings icon right here from the bottom. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to language right here. Click on here. Then you have different languages right here. So you can switch from system default and switch to any of the language that you understand right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see more different languages that has been added by Microsoft Outlook. So from here, you can switch to any one of your choice. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your display language on Outlook in just your mobile phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.